adopted her. Got a low-key freak, I save up pics, but I don't follow her.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know, my name is Brooklyn, and I'm a hairstylist, but today is a chill video. So if you don't know, I've been in collaboration with Love Me Hair, and they sent me a huge box today with a lot of goodies because I've been in partnership with them for a year. So with the partnership, I'm a very honest person. If I don't like something, I will say the pros and the cons about it. So I felt like they really like that I'm honest, because I do hair, so I do work with a lot of different types of wigs and laces. So you know, I could point out what's good and what's bad about them. So I just want to give y'all a little background. Basically, I install wigs from Love Me Hair, give honest reviews, so you know you guys can go and purchase if they're good and if you like the results. They're affordable. They're very great people. They have great customer service. So you know, not all companies probably do this, and you know, people don't even take time into, you know, congratulate the people who work with them and, you know, help get their business out there. So that's what I love about them, is that they're super sweet. They work with you. Their communication is excellent. And then how they package their stuff, like, it is like mind-blowing how they really advertise their brand. So enough about that. Let's get into this box that I received. I actually forgot that I was receiving it, and then I had already received a wig that I also will be doing a video on. So like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time that I post, because that video will be coming up soon. To start this off, they sent me a tripod, and this is funny because I actually didn't need this, and that's great because I'm gonna start getting a lot of wig heads so I can keep my wigs on display when I'm working on multiple people's hair, which is great. So they kind of sent me a picture of what I'll be getting, but I totally forgot. So this is gonna be a surprise to me as well. So I got this cute bag, and this is about to be so cute because I actually need something to, you know, put, like, if I do want to become a travel hairstylist, this is great for me to put my tools and stuff in. So I like this a lot. Oh my gosh, so I knew they would send me something that I really didn't need, which is an apron, because I stick, like, I don't want this to sound weird, but I stick the combs and brushes right here in the side of my pants, or I'll sit stuff down, and like, my clients would be like, Brooklyn, you're always misplacing something. I'm gonna get you an apron. And I'm to get one, but has been on my mind. So this is going to come in here. This is loud. Oh, this is the little apron for, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, so I really wasn't like expecting this. But it's, you know, the apron, and then, you know, they can still be able to be on their phones. That's so freaking cool. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. Like, honestly. I also got cups. And I was like, okay, they're sending me cups. Okay, pause. Let me take one out. This is what I mean. Love Me Hair really, like, invest in their brand and what they send out to people. But I was like, they're sending me cups. What am I going to use cups for? And you know what? I could use this for whenever I'm bleaching the knots. I could put this in here instead of, like, because I usually take the bleaching powder out the container and use the container and just keep washing it. And now I'm on cups. So this is, like, really great. They make sure I'm stocked up, which is great. I really do appreciate that, because I love how they send stuff that's going to come in handy. So I got a Love Me Hair hairbrush set for all hair types, and you know, if you wear weave, you need this brush right here. Not to be, you know, offensive or anything, but I think they call it a white girl brush, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, y'all know what to send out. Rat tail comb with the middle part. Yes, I use these a lot to, you know, spread the glue. But this comes in handy, and it's so funny because I need one of these because my handle broke, and they sent one where the handle can't even break off. Ain't that something? You see, they read my mind. Okay. Oh, this is a good comfort part in here for whenever you're doing braids. Thank you. Oh my gosh. I wanted like a little dimming brush for like the longest, but I just didn't want to buy one. So this is amazing, honestly. I really do appreciate it. This is what I'm talking about. They're very great people. They're gonna send you stuff that they think that you would need. And what I just said, I said I'm gonna go buy me some mannequin heads, and voila. I'm gonna get some more though, because I got like 3 tripods. So I'm gonna get some more, but thank you. Because mine's got nothing but bleach on it. Ooh, this is freaking kids. I'm just amazed by everything. I don't even want to like use this for anything, get it dirty, nothing. Oh wow, this is Special Duty Rough Surface. They sent me for loves. And this is great because I need to stop bleaching hair without gloves, because you know once that gets on your skin it burns and it leaves a little more. Oh, I got 2 pairs. This is like so freaking great. Okay, give me a minute because there's 2 boxes inside of this, so let me get some scissors to open this now. Okay, so I'm back. I opened this box, but I can't tell what it is. I think it might be a stand, like how I have one of these. I think they sent one of those. I have to go back and look at the picture, but it has a lot of parts to it, so I would just have to include the picture that they sent to me. So yeah, I'm gonna have to include the picture that they sent to me of what that's supposed to be. I'm quite sure it's really supposed to be like one of these little shelves, which comes in handy because you see mine is all types of crazy. I freaking burnt it with my hot comb and flat iron too. So thank you, I appreciate it. Okay, I think this is my apron for me, and which is great because I love all black. All black is my favorite color. Yes, it is. And this is so cute because I have a little pocket that I could put like my coins and stuff in so I don't lose them. Oh my gosh, this is like great. I needed this. My clients, wait till they see me. I'm like, okay girl, you upgraded. You moving on in life. They gave me another bag. Lord, I don't even know. This is about to be crazy. I got these freaking bags. Okay, so this, I know I don't have to unwrap because I know what it is. They actually sent me a ring light. I hope you can see the logo. So yeah, they sent me a ring light. So I understand, you know, Love Me Here reached out to me to work with me, and I make sure I do as much as I can that I'm required to do. And you know, but I think this is great that they really, you know, send out gifts, and it's not required. Other places wouldn't even do this. You know, you get your free wig, send me my video, and go on about your day. You'll get another one soon. But no, like they actually take the time to appreciate you because you're taking time getting a wig, installing it, making a very great video to advertise their stuff. And this is amazing because these are a lot of things that will help a lot of people. Even if you're up and coming and learning how to do hair, these are great to help you. I think Love Me Here really thinks about their customers and the people that they work with and acknowledge that we're important. So I feel like I feel like this is 10 out of 10. Thank you, Love Me Hair. I continue to working with you and just advertising your hair and putting out great videos and examples on how to install wigs, and just for people who are beginners. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell to be notified when I post, and peace.
And I can't take